Alright, I ordered myself a new toy. I'm just gonna film this in case anything's messed up. The box has been opened already, and there's clear tape on it. You see? This side looks like the brown tape is just coming apart. This side you can clearly see it's been open and clear taped. I ordered it off eBay. Might as well show you this side. You see? Little puncture hole. Doesn't look like it went through. But we're gonna unbox this thing. See what it looks like. The seller I ordered it from said it was new. So, I've never had a problem off eBay yet. We'll find out today. Oh, sweet. It's really stuck now. Dang, that box is heavy. It's got clear tape there. Clear tape here, but yeah, you would see it ripped. I don't know if it's supposed to come taped. This side is also taped. Okay. Is it rolling? Yes. Oh, this package is really nice. You can't tell already. I got an x-maxx. Comes with some things. Bag is still sealed. Ooh. Get away already. Too soon. The remote looks brand new. Doesn't smell smoked. Should probably put that away. Got the green one because it saved like $200. Figure I'm gonna change the shocks anyway, but it still has the zip ties. The wheels look brand new. Pretty sure. There we go. Oh yeah. I'm stoked. This thing's huge. Yeah. I'm gonna get to opening this up. So far, so good. I mean, there's plenty of videos on YouTube that would describe this thing for you. This is more of for my record. Oh dang, that's heavy. A little bit of oil in the wheels and on the wheels. Yeah, it looks like my shock leaked. This one did not. I mean, you guys just saw me take the strap off. It's all over the wheel too. That wheel feels softer. Well, that probably happens a lot when you ship them fully smashed down like that. I guess I could have saved. I don't know how this video is going to turn out. I'm like super excited. Kind of bummed now, but either way I don't have batteries. Because I got batteries that weren't perfectly balanced, so I want to put a nice charger on it before I use them. You know, so I don't set my toy on fire. Alright, screw this zip tie. Coming down. First wipe out. Okay. I'm gonna grab scissors. There. I don't have tools in here, no. Well, before I pause the video, yeah, 9 minutes of straight video. Doesn't matter if I pause it now. This side, I may have leaked a little bit as well. I'm gonna thoroughly inspect it for signs of use. But it doesn't look used. It looks to me like the way they, I don't know, do they come that far adjusted? Just get it all on film. Right there. I don't know if I should contact Traxxas or the seller, but clearly this one, the seal busted or all the fluids out. Pretty sure I have fluid. This one, just barely, but you can see, maybe you can't. It's not from my fingers because it's down here too. I'm not so sure if you guys can tell. a little wet down here. I wiped it right here with my thumb. Back here. Also, a little oily back here. Also a little oily. I'm gonna pause the video. And I guess I'm starting a new video. Now that we got sharp stuff everywhere. See what I'm saying? I'm excited. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My girlfriend came back inside. So I showed her the x-maxx with the body on it. X-maxx. My bad. Keep on doing that. So this is how you take it off. Super simple. Yes, there's a fan in there. I haven't popped this off and looked. There's 2 fans in there. 1 slightly bigger fan in here, it looks like. Yeah, everything looks pretty good. Dang, that's heavy. Hopefully you can see. It's hardly even. On this side, there's oil everywhere. This side's busted. Look at that. It's puddling. Looks like my old Ranger. Yeah, no signs of use anywhere. This side's dry. I'll flip it. The side's soaked. I mean, you can tell clear as day. This side, you can see moisture right there. It's not moisture, it's oil. I can feel it on my finger. Let's see if I can't get any on my finger. Well, I can't see anything. Well, maybe you can catch it on video. Either way, I'm stoked. I'm gonna test. Nothing. I'm gonna wait for the charger. Fingers crossed. Love it so far. If you're thinking about doing something, just do it. Right? I wanted a huge RC car since as long as I can remember. I've had one in the past, like, you know, a Toys R Us one. But, yes. Main squeeze is down. Drifter's getting a brushless upgrade. But couldn't help myself. Have fun, everyone. Hopefully I learned how to edit videos before this. Maybe I should not. This. Yeah. I'm guessing a high speed or a high torque gear. Maybe it's a replacement, maybe it's a completely different animal when you install that. But that's all it came with. It also came with this controller, which I'm pretty sure Nope. Slightly different. Yet the same. They just added that. I'll figure it out. Anyway, love it so far. I guess this video has 2 outros.